So this is how we'll take a little vignette out of your travel journal. In this case, it was a paddle journal. Now, I didn't want to do a whole painting, but I wanted to add kind of a little border to this page in my paddle journal from down the Yellowstone River. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece and show you how to do that on a bookmark. So here we've got a bookmark format. This is kind of 2 1/4 by 7.5. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take clear water, just clean, clear water, and I'm just going to draw a line of that water across. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to take some green. This is a moss green, and this is a fairly fine brush. This is a 0, and I'm just going to probably start going left to right, and down into the water, and let that water kind of splay out across the blank clear water that you've got. So again, try this out on some scrap paper until you get this going, and just a little light touch on it. And they don't have to be perfect trees. Trust me, everybody on the planet is going to know that these are trees. Okay, so there you've got some green trees in there. Maybe what you want to do is take something else and add just a little bit of variety. In this case, we'll take some orange, and maybe integrate them right into that, and just leave kind of a random pattern. And then you can just leave it like that. There's absolutely nothing wrong. If you spend too much time at it, it's going to get all muddy. And so just there's a little piece. Put your initials on it. In this case, Wayne Wilson. There we go. And there's a bookmark. So if you've been out, in this case, down the Yellowstone River, I could take this and do up a set of these. And look, just think about how quickly it took to do that. Do up a set of these. You could write Yellowstone River along it and send it off to all of your paddle mates. And I'm telling you, they would be absolutely delighted to get a piece of original artwork that commemorates that event. So give it a try and show me how you do with this. I'd love to hear from you. So you can get my link in the bio. Away we go.